All right, a first alert, weather alert, the potential for some rain. I've been watching some very modest snow flurries at the top of the tram, but this is going to be increasingly active weather at the top of our local mountains as we move through today. Mountain snow through this evening and overnight tonight in the mountains. We're going to continue to see that activity. Travel issues. Right now, there's not a lot of precip out there. What little is falling is in the higher elevations. There are some showers scattered around the Inland Empire and stretching down into San Diego. Even the San Diego County mountains are also going to see some significant snowfall. Winter storm warning in effect through the overnight into tomorrow morning because of the potential for snow and disruptive weather at the higher elevations. Broken cloud cover swirling around an area of low pressure. You can see it pretty clearly. And those scattered showers will continue off and on throughout the day. For us, our best chance of showers is between about 10 o'clock in the morning and about 5 o'clock in the evening. So that's the time frame where we're most likely to see precip here on the valley floor, and it can make roads slick. I don't anticipate enough precip to cause any significant wash flooding, but it doesn't take a lot to shut down a number of roads, Vista Chino, Indian Canyon near the wash. So that's something we'll be aware of and watching throughout the day. As cold as 39 degrees at Thermal, 47 in Palm Springs, and everybody else is in between those numbers. Not a bad morning temperature-wise, fairly mild comparatively. Because of the cloud cover, we're not seeing those real low 30s at the east end of the valley. Wind speeds, very gusty yesterday, but not so much today. This morning, those winds have backed off. In fact, really through the overnight, they calmed down nicely. So the wind advisory that was posted has expired. The biggest precip is going to be, the impact will be snow in the higher elevations. And this is great news for skiers and snowboarders. Also, folks who like to go to the top of the tram. We'll check in on the Long Valley cam in a little bit and see where that snowfall is happening. There's a potential for a little skiff of snow, some flurries up around Yucca Valley as well. So be aware of that. That snow line is going to be very low tomorrow morning. In terms of the potential for precipitation, again, as we move through the afternoon and evening, that rainfall will taper off pretty significantly. And I'm looking at really mild showers, very modest stuff here on the valley floor. Weather alert day, though, nonetheless. 59 the high, 60 tomorrow, and we warm up nicely. We're powering our way through the week just to get to a gorgeous weekend with temperatures close to seasonal normals and mostly sunny skies. We'll be back with more after the break on News Channel 3, the Desert's news leader.